Battle Royale has become one of the most dominant subgenres in gaming practically overnight, and developers and manufacturers have rushed to get their own piece of the pie. The fact that the Logitech G332 has such targeted marketing to the Battle Royale market may make it seem like just another rushed product, but the final result is actually very strong. The comfortable leather cups are meaningfully padded, and though they are a little tight, that makes for pretty great sound isolation. A 3.5mm jack allows this wired gaming headset to work with both consoles and PCs, but a headphone converter is also included if you want to hook it up to your stereo. If aural fidelity is your primary concern, you will find it here. The mids take center stage here, and there is some good oomph developed by the 50mm drivers. The microphone is unexceptional but perfectly well suited for the most multiplayer gaming. Let's talk about the key features of Logitech G332 stereo gaming headset. A great understated design and color scheme. Coordinates with the whole line of Logitech G products. Volume scroll wheel when built directly into the right can. You can use these headphones on PC, PS4, Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type and it has stereo audio. Its microphone also supports noise cancelling. Logitech G332 costs you around $45. Astro is a company known for crafting exceptionally great headsets that are also exceptionally expensive. That's what makes the A10 such a breath of fresh air. It may lose some of the good looks that is high-end sibling the A50, but it retains a surprising amount of the quality. The build quality itself is sporty but functional, including an inline volume wheel as well as omnidirectional mic that will mute when flipped out of the way. But the A10 has heart where it counts. This sounds like an Astro product through and through. Like Logitech's offering, the mids get most of the attention here, but the level of clarity is truly exceptional. It's strong enough to throw you right into the heat of a firefight, but it can also function admirably while listening to anything from traditional orchestral arrangements to dense and layered psych rock. Let's talk about the key features of Astro Gaming A10 gaming headsets. Far better sound quality than its price tag would suggest, memory foam rear cushions for a greater level of comfort, crisp voice communications with low latency levels, omnidirectional mic is flipped to mute. Available in 5 different colors. It can support PC, PS4 and Xbox One. It has 3.5mm connection type and it has stereo audio type. Yes, its mic also has noise cancelling features. If we talk about the price, it may exceed $50 tag. It costs around $54. There is arguably no budget gaming headset with the mic that's a better deal than the Sadis SA902. It bears a $24 price tag but a lot of value. In fact, it hits basically all major special features a cheap gaming headset could hope for. A noise cancelling mic, Dolby 7.1 surround sound, the compatibility with both consoles and PCs, inline controls are available for both the mic and the headphone volume, and the rear cushions use a ventilated protein material for maximum breathability. It even comes with LED lighting, which seems a bit like bragging once you take everything else into consideration. The sound quality might not be quite up to snuff with something like the A10, but it's also less than half the price, and that's Dolby surround sound provides phenomenal level of immersion in both atmospheric single player and raucous multiplayer games. Let's talk about Sadis SA902 key features. It has 4-piece headband allows for highly specific adjustment. Closed ear cups lock in sound well. Phenomenal depth of features for such a cheap gaming headset. Both headset and cable are surprisingly durable. It supports PC and PS4 and it also has USB connection. It has 7.1 Dolby surround and yes, it also supports noise cancelling mics. You can purchase Sadis SA902 from Amazon at $27.